Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Comfy Cubs Baby Playpen and Baby Gate, a versatile and innovative solution for parents seeking a safe and adaptable play area for their toddlers and babies. This foldable wooden playard is designed with convenience in mind, arriving fully assembled to save you time and effort, and includes easy-to-use wall mounting brackets for added stability. Crafted from natural pine wood, the Playpen ensures a toxin-free environment for your child, with no paints, varnishes, or harmful chemicals used. Its impressive extendable length of up to 228 inches makes it perfect for both small and large spaces, providing comprehensive safety coverage. Not only is it portable and easy to store, but it also features a child-proof lock and latch door that parents can easily open with one hand. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Comfy Cubs Baby Playpen adapts to your needs, ensuring your child's safety and your peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.